Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm showing you how to set up your breast pump step by step so you can start pumping comfortably and safely. Step 1. Wash your hands. Before handling any pump parts, make sure your hands are clean to protect your baby's milk from germs. Step 2. Prepare clean pump parts. Lay out your clean and fully dry pieces. These usually include the bottle, the breast shield or flange, the valve and membrane, and the connector or tubing. Step 3. Assemble the flange and valve. Attach the valve to the bottom of the flange and make sure it fits tightly. Any small air leak can reduce suction. Step 4. Attach the bottle. Screw the milk collection bottle onto the flange and check that it is snug but not overly tight. Step 5. Connect the tubing. If you're using an electric breast pump, plug one end of the tubing into the back of the flange and the other end into the pump motor. Make sure the tubing stays completely dry. Step 6. Check the fit of the flange. Place the flange gently on your breast. Your nipple should sit in the center of the tunnel with enough space to move freely as you pump. A proper fit helps increase milk flow and reduce discomfort. Step 7. Turn on the pump. Start with a low suction level or stimulation mode to help trigger your letdown. Once milk begins to flow, switch to expression mode or slowly increase suction to a comfortable level. Step 8. Check for comfortable suction. Pumping should feel like gentle pulling, not pain. That's it. Setting up a breast pump becomes simple once you follow these steps. Keep practicing at it.